my tip for the day, or question for the day. Are you giving too much to other people so you're not giving enough to you? I'm making this video because I'm talking about me. Just now I was trying to sing, and halfway through I was like, oh, I'm too tired, my voice isn't working. But it's really that my voice is not working. It's that my physical body is out of energy and it needs more food. I'm too tired. Lesson for the day, don't teach all day. I find that I'm giving so much to everybody else that when it comes time for me to actually sing, I'm not having enough energy to do it. Yeah, that's real. The pain is real. I'm torn between wanting to teach everybody everything, and then at the end of the day, I'm so spent that I don't have the energy to vocalize and to sing for myself. I'm here sharing with you a very sad, vulnerable moment. Be careful what you create for yourself, and know that I am problem solving on camera right now. So clearly I need to shift something in my life so that I carve out time before I start teaching for myself to sing. It's clearly not going to happen at the end of the day. The struggles are real, and I am not singing. And when I want to, I'm tired. So I guess the question I could ask you is, are you finding times to sing and you don't actually have enough physical energy to do it? Don't be like me right now. Find yourself time. Find a time to do it that's before or when you have the most energy. And then you'll be setting yourself up for success and you will sound fabulous. So, love you guys. Love you. Bye. Maybe I will tape myself singing and see if that motivates me to do it. Is a pip with pizzazz, who is all ginger